Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about atomic mass unit AMU. Okay, what is the one AMU value? Where we are going to use this AMU? Okay, how to derive that AMU value? That things we are going to discuss today. And I hope you know everyone. Atoms and molecules are not visible range. Those are very small tiny particles. Okay, and if you observe that our textbooks, they wrote hydrogen weight 1 gram. Hydrogen atom weight is 1 gram. Nitrogen atomic mass is 14 grams. And oxygen 16 grams, like that they wrote. But 16 grams of oxygen atom, that is visible. 16 grams means visible. Okay. So according to that things, we are able to see all the atoms, supposed to be. We have to see. But still that is not visible range. So practically you can't see atoms, molecules by our naked eye. Okay. See, what is the inside of meaning that one? 12 grams of carbon. What is the inside meaning? Okay, is it 12 grams of carbon is the one carbon atom weight, or inside still so many atoms is there? Those type of things we'll discuss in this video. Okay, so first we can see definition of atomic mass unit. The standard definition is the standard weight, which is 1 by 12th part by weight of one atom of C12 isotope, is known as atomic mass unit, or simply AMU or U. So your part is, your definition is 1 by 12th part of one atom of C12 isotope. So these are the 2 points we have to remember to derive AMU value. So you can find out next. Already we defined very well. Na atoms of C12 weight is 12 grams. Na atoms, okay. Na means Avogadro number, means 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon weight is 12 grams. Then one atom of carbon weight is how much? We can calculate by cross multiplication. Can get here 12 by Avogadro number, nothing but 10 power 23. This is in grams. By solving this is, can get, so one carbon C12 isotope atom mass equal to 12 by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 grams. This is nothing but 12 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So if you observe this one, 10 power minus 24, if you're multiplying 12, that value is very less. So one carbon atom is very less. Okay, so 0 point, that whatever your multiplied value is, that is too much less. So this is actual weight of one carbon atom. Okay, now according to our definition, 1 AMU equal to 1 by 12th part of one atom weight of C12 isotope. Now we are applying our definition. 1 AMU equal to 12 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is the one carbon atom weight. 1 by 12th part of this weight is AMU. Okay, 12 going to be cancelled. Then we'll get 1.1 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is if you solve. Okay, if we calculate, you will get 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is the 1 AMU value. So 1 AMU value, we derived that one. So 1 AMU equal to this is clear. Now we are redefined atomic mass. Okay, atomic weight or atomic mass. So atomic weight of, I'm assuming A, that is, can be redefined in terms of AMU as atomic weight equal to weight of one atom of the element by 1 AMU or AMU weight. Now weight of one atom of the element equal to A into, just I'm cross multiplying, A into 1 AMU or AMU. For example, I need to calculate one oxygen atom weight. Clear? One oxygen atom weight. So one oxygen atom, this is, I am very clear. One oxygen atom weight or mass. Okay. Mass equal to 16, you know that one, 16. A atom mass of one atom weight is 16. In place of A, 16 into AMU. I hope you know AMU value. Already you derived that one. 16 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is the actual weight of one oxygen atom weight. This is the actual weight of one oxygen atom weight. One. Very clear this is. Now you can apply for oxygen molecule also. One oxygen molecule. One oxygen molecule weight, mass how much? 32. So already discussed into mu. So I can write here 32 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Actually, this is we called absolute or actual mass of an atom of element. Absolute or actual mass of an atom of oxygen. Okay. In examination, they will ask questions. What is the absolute mass of one hydrogen atom? What is the absolute mass of one hydrogen atom? So then you can write one hydrogen atom mass equal to 1.008 into, you can multiply into mu, okay? 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is the absolute atomic mass of one hydrogen atom, okay? Can you calculate what is the absolute mass of chlorine atom? Absolute mass of chlorine atom. Chlorine atom. So we can find here one chlorine atom equal to 35.5 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. You can multiply in examination, they will give after multiplying value, that's nothing but approximately 58.8 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay, this is the exactly or absolute mass of one chlorine atom. Fine. So these mass we can't see, these are not visible range. Clear? If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. They also get idea about clearly all these things. Thank you very much.